close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a ponytail hack. So whenever I want my ponytail to be nice and big and poofy and voluminous, I use this hack. It's super easy to do. It's really cute. So if you guys want to see how I get this look, please keep watching. I am starting off with, I think, like 3-day-old hair, so I haven't washed my hair in 3 days. But I do have a little bit of dry shampoo just to add some texture and get rid of that extra oiliness, so it's not looking too bad. And I'm going to start by curling my hair. So I'm using my all-time favorite curling iron. You guys have seen this on my channel before. This is the Vodana Glamwave curling iron. It is the 40mm, so it's the biggest size that they have. You can achieve super big voluminous waves with this one. They do have a couple different sizes. I'm just going to use this one. So start off by parting my hair in the middle, and I'm just going to take sections and just start curling all of my hair away from my face.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go.
Curls are pretty much done. This only took me like 15 minutes to do. That's why I love using this 40mm Glamwave curling iron, because you can grab larger sections, so curling takes like half the time. So I'm just gonna brush out the curls, and then I'm going to show you guys how I do my ponytail. So I'm going to start by gathering my hair into a pony, and I am using a hair tie to wrap it around my hair twice. For the third time, I'm going to take half of that ponytail and wrap the hair tie around it. And for the fourth time, I'm going to take half of that section and wrap the hair tie around it. Then I'm just going to fluff out my ponytail, and I'm going to use my hairbrush to tease out my ponytail just to give it a little bit more volume. hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!